What is 2 times 7? 14 plus 1? So 5 carry 1. Are we together, guys? Yes. Then what is 2 times 5? 10 plus 1? We have what? 11. 11, guys. Are we together? Yes. Okay? So is now new housing allowance is going to be what? It's going to be 1,500. So 1,150 per time. Okay? 1,150 per time. Okay? But at first, what was his housing allowance? It was 1,000. The time was paid what? It was paid 5,000 time. But after he started increment, even the housing allowance is going to increase time. Okay? So he was now given what? 1,150. Let us look at the last question now. Are we together? Yes. Okay. So 2019 paper 2. The tax-free allowance for Mr. Ndema is 3,300. Tax-free. Remember what I said, right? When I say tax-free, simply means this 3,300 was not taxed, right? Okay? It was not taxable. I mean, in this amount, 3,300, no tax deduction took place, right? They never deducted tax from this amount. That's the meaning when they say tax-free. Okay? This amount was not taxable. Okay? Then he pays income tax at the rate of 30% on the balance. So this person was only paying 30%. Okay? As tax. Okay? Only 30% on the balance now. Okay? On the balance of his what? Salary. Out with. So now, they are saying he pays income tax at the rate of 30% on the balance of his salary. Okay? Calculate the net pay for Mr. Ndema if his monthly salary is what? 5,500. Are we together, guys? Yes. Okay? So in this case, we have two aspects in this case. We have this amount, which is 5,500. This 5,500 was his what? Salary. Are we together? This was his what? Salary. Are we together, guys? Yes. This was his what? Salary. Then in this same salary, in the same salary, 5,500. In the same salary, okay? 3,300 was tax-free. In this same amount, so mean this 3,300 was in this amount, was in his salary, but they're saying out of 5,500, out of 5,500, 3,300, there was no tax, it was tax what? Free. So we need to find the balance, We need to find the what? The balance by subtracting. So what we are going to do is we are going to say 5,500. Are we together? Yes. Minus 3,300. Are we together, guys? Let's find the balance, Let's find the balance. Okay? So 0 minus 0 is 0, Okay? 0 minus 0 get what? 0, 0, right? Then what is 5 minus 3? You get 2. 5 minus 3 get 2 again, Yes. Okay? So now this was the what? This was the balance. This was the what? Balance. From the salary, you just subtract this. Okay? This was the balance. And we are taught to say in this balance, this is where now they remove the what? The tax, This is where they deducted. Take note. They are saying he pays income tax at the rate of 30%. 30% where on the balance of his salary. On the balance. So which one is the balance? This one, Okay? So let's find out the tax he paid. Let's find the what? The tax. The tax paid. Are we together? Yes. So now we say tax paid is equal to what was the rate? 30. over what? 100. Multiplied by, remember the balance, right? Okay? The balance is what? 2,200. Is it okay?
Yes.
2,200. That was the balance, right? So you can say this 0 and this 0 are going to go in. This and this are going to go in. So we maintain tax paid is equal to what we have. We have 30 times what, guys? Times 22. Times 22, right, guys? So tax paid is equal to, now multiply. Let's multiply these, guys. So we know, look at this one. Look at this one, guys. What is 22 times 30? Get what? 6 what? 60. Okay, we're going to get what? 6 what? 60. So 600 and what? 60. Are we together, guys? 660. So this is not our answer. So Mr. Ndema paid 660 kwacha. Are we together?
Yes.
As the income tax. Are we together? He paid 6,000. So 600 what? 660 kwacha. That's the income tax he paid. But the question is saying what? Calculate the net pay of Mr. Ndema. Okay? So how much did Mr. Ndema go with? Home. How much take home? How much was his what? Take home. Are we moving together? So we are talking about the money now. The income someone gets after all the deductions, right? After all the deduction, the money which remains now as someone's what? Actual income. Are we moving together? Yes, take home. So how much did Mr. Ndema go with home? Okay? So you're going to say next pay is equal to what was his total income? Total salary, it was what? 5,500. Are we together? This was his what? Monthly salary. So we're going to now subtract what? The tax which was paid, right? So minus 660 kwacha. Are we together? So let's now subtract 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0. Okay, 0 minus 0. So we now say, get 6 minus 0 is 9 to get 1. Are you guys?
Yes.
Then we're going to have what here? We're going to bring it what? Is it 4?
Yes.
Yes. Then we're going to have 10 here. So what is 10 minus 6, guys?
4.
You get what? 4. Then you guys that one. Then what is 4? Take note. 4 minus 6, it can't die.
Yes.
You're going to get 1 from 5, you're going to mean it what? 4. Then when you put this one, it becomes what? 14, very good. So guys, what is 14 minus 6? You get 8, very good. And then what is 4 minus 0? You get 4. So the net pay is what? Okay, 4,840 kwacha. That is what is net pay. Okay? Are we together, guys?